I did not think I would spend my days seeing pickled animals and human organs, but come with me to the Hunterian Museum in London to check out a historic collection by 18th century surgeon anatomist John Hunter. The museum has been closed for development in the last 6 years or so and opened up just last month, and it has 8 galleries which tells a story from early science on surgery to a feature on John Hunter and finishes on modern science. Many of the human pieces collected, which I will not showcase for sensitivity reasons, did open the question of consent to today's ethics, but the Royal College of Surgeons has reviewed and discussed this majorly prior to the opening of the museum. They have since curated a wide selection to showcase the history of surgery and science, holding around 2,000 or so specimens within its corridors. There were everything from bones to reptiles, human fetuses and reproductive organs to brains, plants to art, instruments, and interactive information boards. One of the pieces displayed was the COVID test, which really got me contemplating and reflecting on life and how it wasn't that far back we were living in a completely different world. But my favorite part of the exhibition was the famously new addition of the heart from a woman who was a transplant patient 16 years ago. Jennifer Sutton shared her story after being diagnosed with restrictive cardiomyopathy, and she consented to the exhibition in hopes that she can promote and encourage organ donation. I can't lie, I couldn't decide how it felt, because it was phenomenal to see, but it definitely opened my eyes up to the story of science and how much we have learned and how much more we have yet to learn. So the experience was bittersweet, both intriguing and a little bit terrifying, informational, but definitely thought-provoking. So prepare yourselves if you do come down and keep an open mind, and maybe an empty stomach. Have you checked out the Hunterian Museum?